urugendo turagana iwacu mu ijuru, turambiwe isi mbi yagize benshi imfubyi, abandi n'abapfakazi bashenguwe n'agahinda,
wasiwe
turakurambiwe ijuru ni heza, ni heza cyane, nta n'igikundiro nta rupfu rurangwayo, nta ntambara zirangwayo, nta n'umutekano, azajya tugaburira kandi tubane nawe iteka ryose,
mu ijuru
ni heza cyane. nitumara kugerayo iwacu heza mu ijuru, tuzabona inshuti zacu twatandukanijwe n'urupfu, tuzabona Eliya, Mose ndetse na Enoki,
Sadraka
Meshaki Abedenego, ijuru ni heza, ni heza cyane, nta n'igikundiro nta rupfu rurangwayo, nta ntambara zirangwayo, nta n'umutekano, azajya tugaburira kandi tubane nawe iteka ryose,
mu ijuru
ni heza cyane. abarushe muruke imfubyi namwe mwishime, abapfakazi muhumure ayoza amazina yanyu, nitugera mu ijuru twicaranye na Yesu,
uzahabwa
amazina mashya, ijuru ni heza.
Hello everyone. So we are just to celebrate and congratulate our brother who finished the master. And he is going to give us congratulations. Completing your master. It was a pleasure to pass the time with you. We enjoyed. So you have something to say now.
Buruse. Je voudrais merci vraiment. C'est un moment que vous m'avez donné pour expresser mes sentiments.
English.
I was paying my gratification to this guy, and I'm very happy to be with you, and I'm very happy to finish my study. Last time someone told me a master, and I told him, oh no, I'm a PhD candidate. Wow. It means I'm not going to stop from here. I predict to clap for him to continue my study, if possible, maybe. I will never know. So my wish is to get a PhD, and hope everything will be good. So according to today, I'm very happy. I think everyone was together and was happy. I needed to give my gratitude to my brother Sharon. I think everyone knows Sharon is my relative, you know? Yeah. His mother is the last born. My father is the first born, and his mother is the last. So, and our grandfather was the first in Adventist church. So, and what I remember, also Sharon is very concentrated in Christianism. So I go beyond to look for other churches, but I'm still Adventist. Even if I don't go there, but I'm still Adventist. So he's my relative. He's a good guy. He encouraged me to apply for this master, and he tried everything to get good marks for the examination we did. And by the grace of God, I got a good marks, and I was selected to come here. This journey was not very easy, and nothing comes easy in life. You have to fight with yourself. You see, you are still studying. You have a lot of things to do. You have a long journey. In life, nothing comes very easy. You have to work for it, and I think everything will be fine. According to the way I look at your face, according to the information I had before, I think people who are here were strong. So, thank you very much to give me this time to sit with me. I think you have a lot of things to do for yourself, and you come here to celebrate this graduation. This is a special graduation because it was done only for international students. Yes. And with my brother, we got our degrees, and we are around maybe six people. So it is a special event. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Siwani, thank you very much, Mr. Sharon, and the CEO of KBC, Rosita. Thank you very much, Cecilia. Liliana, thank you. Thank you, Fatuma. Thank you very much, Komera. Thank you very much, Mr. Komera. And Mr. Prayer. Not playing only. Thank you very much, brother. You know, City also, we are from the same place. And thank you very much, this guy. The place I work is the place this guy is coming from. Thank you, this guy. Emzo. The name is Emzo. Emmanuel Grande. So, I forget sometimes you give me your back. I didn't see you. Didn't see. I was planning to thank you for the last time. Thank you very much.
The special one.
So I can stop by here, and maybe I plan to leave this place tomorrow afternoon. Maybe we shall meet little time for saying goodbye for everyone. Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup, Sekou.
Anyone also want to say something like Abdallah? So, we are listening. The best player. Yeah. If you want to say something.
If you want to congratulate him or wish him
Congratulations, Mr. Owens. Okay.
Thank you very much.
The special guest you, so I say something.
Congratulations, this is really miss you.
You are late.
Girls, who want to say something? Hey.
So you want to tell everyone that you are the man of the match?
Roll for it. That's my hard work.
Congratulations.
You want to also answer congratulations?
She are the man of the match.
It's okay. It's okay like that. It's okay like that.
Sit. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this time. It's a great pleasure to have you all here. In Roman culture, always on invitation letter, there is a word, your presence is highly appreciated. I appreciate all your presence here. Thank you so much. You can clap for yourself. Second thing I want to say, I didn't know Oman. Most of the time when you here in the countries, one going this way, another going this way, I didn't know that even his master and has operated to see him. I got the chance to meet him when he is also about to go. Thank you so much also for coming. Nice to meet you once. Okay. The other thing I want to tell you, as I said, it's my brother. I have the other brother here, Shalom. It was a good time to have him here. As he's my brother, he is my elder brother also. That's what I mean. He was paying me for every day, every hour. Whenever I needed any kind of advice, I seek from him and he didn't give me his back. So I thank him so much for that kind heart and guidance. And he didn't guide me only in real life things, also spiritually, and he kept inspiring us as he's a master student and have also technical skills in psychology. So whenever needed, he was giving us also the advice, but as an expert, a psychologist. Thank you so much also for completing your master degree in psychology. I think I would have more much to say, but I want to take a short time. Also, I'm short. And life also is short. To sum up all the things, I want to say big congratulations for this achievement. And as you said, I know that there are many achievements ahead of you more than this. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, because finishing masters is not an easy task. It's a big feat, so congratulations. You're encouraging us once we're done with our undergraduate to continue to masters. So yeah. Also to Omar, we knew each other for a bit of some time, but I also didn't know he's doing masters. So yeah, congratulations to you also. So when you go back, safe journey. May God guide you and lead you in your life. And as you aspire to be PhD, may God guide you up to that level and all the other levels you want to reach.
talk. Yeah, should we talk to the phone?
I don't have one.
Phone.
I'm not the one who said
What do you want to speak today?
Fatima, say something.
Congratulations, Miss. Good.
This is not the only one. It's 13 years.
Congratulations, boy. I don't know his name.
His name is Komera.
You like it?
And congratulations. She wants to talk. Body.
What?
Nothing to say now, but I would say congratulations for both brother Umar and brother Onesmo. And I pray that on the road, the start of your new journey, that may God be with you every step that you take. And we will miss you, your presence in PPP community, international students community, and also thank you for this night. To Mr. Shalom for inviting us, and all of you who have participated in making this night be there.
Good afternoon, good evening, good night, good morning. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. I'm happy that I always have people who I can invite, whether I am happy or I'm not happy, whether I have much or I have a little. Just I'm happy that I have person who I will call and they will not reject my call. Second thing, congratulations, my brother. Once I talked with my mom, then she told me, as Onesco is there, and you assisted him to go in India. Now I'm feeling blessed. The father of Onesco has been helping my mom to study. So it's like I'm not the one who paid it, but if I assist, it's like we are paying, right? So once she said that, I feel wow, now I'm important in the family. Congratulations that you've done your masters, but I don't want you to stop from here. I wish you can sit again by congratulating you for your PhD. And I guess it's rolling, so very early. We celebrate your PhD degree as well. I wish you all the best. Moreover, I'll be speaking from myself now. I was speaking on my behalf of the family. Now is on behalf of myself. You have been helping me here in this campus. You have been teaching me, you cared me, everything you did. I appreciate. I'm not appreciating that you are graduating. I'm appreciating that we were together for more than 1 year. To teach me a lot. And I have been afraid to do something on your eyes, truly speaking. You were here, so I have to be careful, truly. So thank you so much for being here for this more than 1 year. I've learned a lot from you. Secondly, on behalf of our retro company, you know it's a small company, we are very happy that our first aspirant is graduating.
Others will be graduating the next year in 2023, but you are the first who is graduating. So, from that, we have arranged the two things. One is a gift we arranged it for you. It's a small gift from us. Then the second, it is a gift which is in association with twandikire University through our consultancy. It is two different gifts. One is originated from us, from our company, our Komera reward. Second, it is a privilege, thanks from association or collaboration for twandikire University and the Komera Business and the Consulting Services Limited. We wish to be having some representative from PTPU, but as this one was arranged at the night and it was arranged by us, it doesn't have a time to come here due to admission interview which is going on, you know. So they did not come, but they said, okay, you can hand this gift to him. So anytime we will be happy to see what is here. So I think you can come then and give you the
have said so many things and all beautiful things. So first of all, I would like to thank the Almighty, because we may think that it is easy, but it is not everything. We have different situations during this life in PDP. We have COVID, so we did not spend most of the time here. It is not easy. We may start, then we have different difficulties. I see many people, it may be due to study, they cannot complete the course or some family issues. So we thank God for everything fine, and we got graduated. Congratulations to us. So, and the second thing, I will just address my remaining brothers. Maybe I don't know everyone here, so I may not get all the right word on how to say it properly. So it should be a lesson. We should learn it from each other. So, being a very senior, we face some problems, and we So it should be learning process. If you look at like someone like entrepreneurship, so we should learn much from here, from not making some mistake. Because we may be engaged in something today we don't know, it may be a problem for us tomorrow we don't know. So thank you very much for organizing this event and all of this.
Zero easy, we